In this video, we are going to take a look at how you can register yourself for GST. Visit the official GST portal at www.gst.gov.in. Click on the Services tab on the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, click on the Registration tab and then on New Registration. On the next page, enter the details required in the fields for type, state, district, business legal name, PAN, email address, and mobile number. Click on Proceed. An OTP would be sent to your email address and mobile number. Enter the OTP in the given field and click on Proceed. In this page, your TRN number would be displayed. Take a note of the TRN number. Click on Proceed. On the next page, enter the TRN and the required CAPTCHA. Click on Proceed. On the dashboard, click on the Edit icon. On the Business Details section, enter the details in the fields given for trade name, business constitution, state, sector, commencement date, and so on. Upload the Certificate of Incorporation document. After that, click on the Save and Continue tab. In the Promoters or Partners section, enter your name, mobile number, identity information, and address details. Upload a photo of yourself in the Document Upload section. If your signature is authorized, click on the Authorized Signatory to indicate Yes. After that, click on the Save and Continue tab. In the Authorized Representative section, enter your type, ID number, name, PAN, and phone number in the given fields. After that, click on Save and Continue. In the Authorized Representative section, enter your type, ID number, name, PAN, and phone number in the given fields. After that, click on Save and Continue. In the Principal Place of Business section, enter the details such as business address and business contact information. In the section for the nature of possession of premises, upload a copy of your electricity bill and rental agreement. After that, click on Save and Continue. If you require an additional place for your business, enable the option for an additional place of business in the Principal Place of Business section. Click on the Continue tab. In the Goods and Services section, mention the commodity in the Goods section. By entering your required HSN code or name, you can see a list of goods displayed. Select the goods that you require. Click on the Services tab on top. Select the services you require and click on the Save and Continue tab. On the next section of state-specific information, enter the employer code number, registered certificate number, and other fields given. After that, click on the Save and Continue tab. On the final section of verification, enter the name of the authorized signatory and place. Click on the option to submit with DSC. An OTP would be sent to your registered mobile number and email address. Enter the OTP in the given field and click on Proceed. This way, you would have successfully registered yourself for GST. If you require more assistance with registering yourself with GST, visit the page www.IndiaFilings.com. With the help of business experts available 24/7 online, you may register yourself with GST with ease.